What's your name? In Chinese, the phrase is
你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你 means you. 叫 means to be called. 什么 means what? 名字 means name.
Put it together and we have.
你叫什么名字？
Repeat it with me. What's your name?
你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Also, now, if you want to answer, just say, 我叫 which means I am called, or 我叫 my name is. So if I was you, then I would answer. 我叫王老师 You can say, 我叫大卫。我叫付双。我叫恒星。Likewise, you can say your name with. 我叫
Let's practice a quick conversation. Imagine you just met someone. I'll say the lines, and you can reply. Ready?
你好。你叫什么名字？
Fantastic. Now you know how to greet someone and ask for their name. Practice this with your friends and feel confident introducing yourself in Chinese. That's all for today's lesson. Remember to practice, and I'll see you next time.
再见。
Goodbye.